Before we conclude our discussion on how to evade firewalls, let's list a few other common firewall evasion tools. And you can then go through their features and decide which ones suit your environment and budget best. Now, Snare agents captures and immediately sends the collected event logs to the Snare server, a third-party SIEM or SIEM, or a syslog server for central storage and reporting.
Now, Act Command is a backdoor client-server combination that lets you open a remote command prompt to another system running the server part of the Act command. It communicates using only TCP ACK segments. This way, the client component is able to directly contact the server component through a firewall. Tomahawk is a command line tool for testing network-based intrusion prevention systems, or NIPS.
And your freedom is a VPN tunneling, firewall and proxy bypassing, anonymation, and anti-censorship solution. Now, Atelier Web Firewall Tester, or AWFT, probes the protection provided by your firewall or your personal firewall software using 6 different tests. Each test uses a different technique for gaining access to the outside world. And Freenet is a free software which lets you anonymously share files, browse, and publish free sites.
gtunnel is a Windows application that works as a local HTTP or SOCKS proxy server. After setting the proxy option to gtunnel in a web browser or other internet applications, the traffic will go through gtunnel and its server farm before it reaches its original destination. gtunnel protects internet users' privacy and freedom of speech. Hotspot Shield VPN software uses advanced encryption technology to secure your browsing session, detect and block malware, and enable access to your favorite content from anywhere.
And Proxifier allows network applications that do not support working through proxy servers to operate through a SOCKS or HTTPS proxy and chains.
That's right. VPN Server is a virtual private network service that enables you to connect anonymously to any public shared network. You'll be able to send and receive data through an encrypted point-to-point connection, enjoying full security, privacy, and functionality. For example, on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Skype, VoIP, and any other website by connecting to a VPN server.
That's really nice. And we have covered a lot on evading firewalls. We have looked at the architecture of firewalls and at the types of firewalls. Then we discussed how you can evade firewalls and the tools that you can use to detect intrusions. And finally, we listed a few tools that you can learn about and decide on their suitability to your needs.
That's right, Laura. In this next chapter, we're going to teach you how to set up lookalike servers to draw the attention of the attackers. Now, these are called honeypots. Remember that attackers have ways to determine if a target is a honeypot or not, so don't get fooled thinking a honeypot is a foolproof solution.